Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Silver Graphics. In today's video, we'll be talking about the different types of logos in graphic design. Before we get started, I want you to grab a coffee and grab a pen. There are 8 different types of logos, each unique with a different purpose giving a distinctive feel. Looking at these logos, you'll realize each convey different brands or company. The types of logos we have are 1. Lettermark or monogram. A lettermark logo is a logo made up of initials or letters from a company brand or name. Just like these set of logos displayed, they are quite simple and easy. For example, Cable News Network, a lettermark would use CNN as a simple and stylized logo, instead of writing the full name every time. The initials help people to easily identify a brand or person. It's like a short form of a full name that makes it easier to remember and recognize. 2. Wordmark logo. A wordmark logo is simply a logo made up of just the name of a brand or company, written in a special style or font. It's like a brand's name, but designed in a unique and creative way that makes it stand out. A good example, think of the Coca-Cola, it's just the name Coca-Cola, written in a fancy cursive style. Another example is Google, where the name is written in a colorful and simple font. Wordmark logos rely on the look of the words to create a memorable brand identity. 3. Letterform's logo. A letterform is a logo that uses just one letter to represent a brand or company. This single letter is usually the first letter of the brand's name, but it is designed in a special or creative way to make it stand out. Here are a few sample brand logos expressed in letterforms. Another is M in the McDonald's logo, is a simple but recognized letterform logo. Think of it like this, instead of showing the whole name of the brand, they just use one letter to symbolize the brand. It's a shortcut to a brand's name. 4. Pictorial mark logo. This type of logo uses an image or symbol to represent a brand, rather than just text or letters. The image is actually a recognizable object or shape that symbolizes something about the brand, making it easy for people to identify. Consider the Apple logo, it uses an image of Apple with a bite taken out of it. It's simple but instantly recognizable. And the old Twitter logo, which uses a bird to represent the idea of tweeting or sharing messages. In a pictorial mark logo, the picture itself is the brand's identity, a visual symbol that connects with the brand. 5. Abstract logo. Abstract logo is a logo that uses shapes and colors to create a symbol, but it doesn't look like anything specific. It is not a picture of a real object, like tree or car, but instead, it's a unique design, made up of different shapes or lines. The Pepsi logo has a circle with wavy red, white, and blue lines, but it doesn't look like anything real. These logos are all about creating something that feels special and stands out. 6. Emblem logo. Emblem logo is a logo that has both words and pictures together, usually inside a shape like a circle or shield. It combined text and images into a single design. It's like a badge or seal. The Starbucks logo has the name Starbucks and a picture of a siren all inside a circle. It's like a symbol you'd see on a school crest or a sports team's logo. 7. Mascot logo. A mascot logo is a logo that uses a cartoon character or a person to represent a brand, company or team. This type of logo is usually fun, friendly, and a memorable character that helps people connect with the brand in a playful way. 8. Combination logo. A combination logo is a logo that combines both text or words, like the brand's name, and a picture or symbol together. Examples are displayed. We have Adidas, Puma, and the likes. This type of logo gives you the best of both worlds. People can recognize symbol, and they can also see the brand name. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.